guys. So I did cold. First I froze the banana. So there was one here. I froze it. And then I put peanut butter on it here. Peanut butter. And then these are toasted sesame seeds. And then this is the end result. Miana's eating it.
It's really good.
And yeah, she said it's good, but more crunch. So the only thing I'll show you the grease. Oh, the oil. This is what it looks like. So a lot of the sesame seeds are coming off. So I think maybe what I'll do next time is I'll freeze it again after here and then put it in so that I can retain the sesame seeds. But yeah, I want the sesame seeds to stay on more. But what I did was after I fried it, I put another layer of peanut butter and then some more toasted sesame seeds. So yeah, a healthy, wonderful snack.
Very delicious.
Thank you, mamas. Healthy, wonderful snack. Would you like to say something to the people on camera? Or would you like to keep your anonymity? They don't know who you really are.
Oh, you haven't shown
Incognito.
Yeah, I want to stay incognito.
Incognito.
I want to stay
Okay,
incognito.
only the banana is allowed. The paparazzi is allowed. So can you guys see it? I hope you can. Here, let me.
No, it's really good. It's a nice little treat.
Yeah.
But I like it to be crunchy on that
side. Yeah. Okay, ciao for now, y'all. Bye. Oh yeah, get into it. Yeah. Oh hi, my name is Banana. Oh yeah, I look good, don't I? Yeah, let's munch. Ooh yeah. Ooh, look at me. The humans are crazy. Oh yeah, get into this look. Get into this peanut butter look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, snack. Bye.
So that's like, I want some banana too.
Okay. So